Hey, Nonna Pia.
Yes.
What are you going to make us for lunch?
I'm going to make a little piece of steak, a little spaghetti for lunch.
With what?
Then garlic and oil.
Cut it in half. Why are you cutting it?
Because I got to fry this.
Whoa, you broke it? Strong, Nonna. You believe people think you're dead? You're not dead. You're stronger than ever.
Told the people I'm 88 years old. I want to cook. Yeah, I like to cook. I'll show you how to do. Oil.
Some oil in there.
I put in this.
All right, look at that.
A little salt. And I put a little wine.
Some vino, of course. Homemade vino.
Now, over here, I'm going to put the pasta.
There's the pasta. There's the meat.
2 garlic. I cut it.
What is that for?
For the pasta. Put a little load. And this is the pasta. I'm in a rush, you know why?
Why are you in a rush?
I'm hungry.
Ah, I could tell. How's it look, Nonna?
Looks pretty nice.
Almost done.
No, the wine has got to be evaporated a little bit.
So, Nonna, how do you like your steak?
Well done.
Well done, okay. So we're going to have a nice overcooked steak, but it's okay because that's how Nonna likes it.
It's a rubber. I'm telling you, I'm making nice lunch for you.
What does your apron say?
My hands is clean.
Did you wash them today?
All the time.
All right.
It's me.
You got some of your bread for the meat, right? Bellissimo.
This is mine, the ghoul.
The ghoul? What's the ghoul? People don't know what that is. The butt.
Butt.
The best part for Nonna. Take the pasta out, drain it. Time to eat. You can't forget the juice, right?
It's wine.
Beautiful. And then the oil and the garlic. Simple. That's one big bowl, Nonna. That's all for you? Can I have some too?
Yeah, don't you say you're hungry.
I'm starving. That's a big bowl. I'll have the whole thing, okay? Grazie.
Done.
It's all done, Nonna?
Yes.
All right. Time to eat. Fatta mangiare, no? And we eat together, okay? Love you.